It seems that the Realme 12 Pro series could soon launch in India. The 5G mid-range phones are expected to arrive early next year as the device has received BIS certification, which means that its India launch is imminent. To recall, the Realme 11 Pro series was announced in June last year and its successor is expected to arrive way too early. We are likely to witness the launch in Q1 2024 because, after receiving BIS certification for the 11 Pro lineup, the company launched it in India in less than 2 months. So far, Realme hasn't yet given any confirmation on the launch of the new Realme 12 Pro series. Of course, it is too early for the brand to confirm the existence of this series, but the leaks also suggest that the device is on the cards and will arrive soon. Months ahead of the launch, the leaks have already suggested what could be the specifications of the upcoming Realme 12 Pro smartphones. Here is everything we know so far. Realme 12 Pro, Realme 12 Pro Plus, leaked specs, price. The Realme 12 Pro series is said to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. Leaked details also indicate that the Realme 12 Pro will boast of a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 telephoto sensor at the back with support for 2x optical zoom, promising enhanced photography capabilities. Meanwhile, the Pro Plus variant is rumored to feature a 64-megapixel OmniVision OV64B periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, elevating its camera capabilities even further. In terms of design, the series is expected to showcase a distinctive circular camera layout with dual sensors and a rectangular periscope lens. You can expect a punch-hole display design on the front and high fast charging support as well. Realme will likely bundle a charger in the box, just like previous models. Under the hood, we might get to see the typical 5000 mAh battery. The Realme 12 Pro is tipped to come with a price tag of 2,099 Chinese yuan, approximately 25,000 rupees, in China for the 12GB RAM and 256GB model. The Indian model is expected to be priced in a similar range. It is worth noting that Redmi has already confirmed that the latest Note 13 series is coming to India in January 2024, and the Realme 12 Pro series will likely be pitched against the Redmi Note 13 Pro phones. The face-off will likely be interesting because it will be a fight for the best phone under 30,000 rupees for 2024. You can stay tuned to India Today Tech for all the latest updates.